Alright, today we're unboxing the Tesla style screen, mainly used in cars, general purpose cars. So let's begin the unboxing. I have my knife here, but I'm trying to figure out how we can cut this thing open. Alright, probably we shall do a full installation tomorrow, but this is basically a simple unboxing. It has been wrapped up fully, delivered by my favorite courier. Won't give them an advert. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I think this is just a plain box. Cut this. Okay. Okay, here we have the box. Okay, put this inside. As you can see, it comes from a company called Android. Has several features: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI cable, but I think both front and back camera. We show some more features here. Can zoom in them closely. I've talked about the CarPlay, navigation, radio, music, video, Bluetooth again, Wi-Fi, IPS display. You can do your apps since it runs Android, and you're good to go. So it gives you more details of features here. Running on Android 8.1, 6-core processor, 4GB RAM, 32 or 64GB RAM. I think these are just options they give you. But what I ordered here was basically Android 9 that was installed, 4GB RAM, 32GB ROM, IPS display, which is pretty good. Supports 7850 amplifiers, CarPlay function for Apple, for those Apple phones, multi-screen, Bluetooth 4.0, I think it supports 5 as well, etc, etc. There are many other features here, which I'll see. So, going on the inside, take it open from here, make work easier. Yeah, there we have it. As you can see, it comes with a pack, bubble wrap. Sorry. This is the basic unit you get that you have to install in your car. Now I'm installing this for my Harrier. So basically it's supposed to be compatible to that car with basic functions. Sorry, I need to remove it from this polythene. Okay. Where's my knife? Oh no, I can do it. Okay. So this is how it looks like basically. It has all the functionalities you need. AC on and off, circulating air within the car. This is for increasing, reducing on the left, increasing, reducing on the right. AC on and off. This is a volume knob, microphone, etc, etc. So basically you just have to get a professional, someone who is professional to make the installations. And for now we're just doing an unboxing. It came with a free gift, which is an ODB2. Basically this just it's used to install. If you have a car, to diagnose your car, just install it in some space. In my car it's below the driver's seat, and you can install an Android, iOS or Windows app, and you can tell the status of your car, diagnose to see what is wrong, any red lights, etc, etc. This is free, so it's like less than $3 or something, so you get it for free. So that's it for now. Until next time, bye.